Greetings to all, and a very warm welcome to all of you who are present here. This is Mohammed Junaid from Data Science team standing in IARE. So today I am here to explain you how to decode CAPTCHAs using Python language. And I will be explaining you this topic through PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started with the PPT. So our topic is decoding CAPTCHAs using Python. Let's go to the introduction part. Introduction. As everyone knows, CAPTCHAs are those annoying things like enter the letters that you see on the image, on the registration or feedback pages. So we all know what the CAPTCHA means, okay? And mostly the CAPTCHAs are given on the confidential pages. For example, we can see CAPTCHAs on the registration or feedback pages, and also we can see it in the payment gateway pages, okay? So yeah, then next, CAPTCHA is designed so that a human could read the text without difficulty while a machine cannot. CAPTCHA can be read by the humans only. It is cannot read by the machines. It means that when CAPTCHA is given, it cannot be understood by the computers. It can only be understood by the humans. Okay, and the CAPTCHA is given for the security purposes. Mostly the CAPTCHA is given to prevent us from the spam. Okay, yeah, next. While this struggle between CAPTCHA makers and CAPTCHA solvers seems like endless, different people are interested in automatic CAPTCHA solution in order to maintain work of the software. So now I will show you how to decode the CAPTCHA using Python. So firstly, CAPTCHA. What is it actually? So the CAPTCHA stands for the completely automated public Turing to tell computers and humans are apart. Okay. Now, mostly CAPTCHA is an example of one-way conversion. You can easily take a character set and get CAPTCHA from it. So, normally CAPTCHA is a combination of alphabets, numericals, and also sometimes the CAPTCHA is a combination of alphabets, numericals, and also some special characters included in it. Special characters are nothing but the at the rate, hashtag, like that. Okay, so yeah, you can easily take a character set and get CAPTCHA from it, but not vice versa. Okay, another separately, it should be easy for humans to read, but not amendable to machine recognition. As I told you in the earlier slide, that CAPTCHA is only given for the humans. It is not for the machines because machine cannot recognize the CAPTCHA. Yeah, CAPTCHA can be considered as a simple test such as are you a human? Basically, they are implemented as an image with some symbols or words. Okay, I have told you earlier that the CAPTCHA is implemented with some symbols or words. It means it can be given in the form of some alphabets, completely alphabets, or it can be given in the form of some completely numericals. Okay, or it can be given in the combination of numericals, alphabets, as well as some special characters. So they are used to prevent spam on many websites. So captchas are given to prevent spam, and it is given for other security purposes also. For example, CAPTCHA can be found on the registration page of Windows Live ID. So this is the best example. So whenever we are creating a live ID on the Windows registration page, we will be getting an CAPTCHA. Okay, yeah, we will move to the next slide. Here you can see the best example of the CAPTCHA. Okay, this is the real-time CAPTCHA which is given in the real website. Okay, this image is an example of a CAPTCHA that we will decrypt. Okay, now we are going to decode this captcha. Okay, this is a real captcha that is posted on a real site. This is the captcha which we are going to decrypt right now with the Python language. So as I have told you that the captcha will be a set combination of alphabets and numericals. So here see 7S199J. Okay. Yeah. Explanation. There are many methods for determining the location of the text on the image and its extraction. So there are many methods to determine the location and for the extraction of the captcha. Okay, there are many methods to determine the location of the captcha as well as to extract the captcha. There are many methods. In this example, I will use color extraction. So in this example, it means in this captcha example, we will be using a color extraction to decode the captcha. In this example, I will use color extraction. This is a fairly simple technique with which I got pretty good results. For our examples, I will use a multi-valued image decomposition algorithm. In sense, this means that we first plot a histogram of the colors of the image. Okay, so this is done by obtaining all the pixels on the image grouped by color, and then counting is performed for each group. Okay, first of all what we will do is nothing but we will collect, it means we will obtain all the pixels from the captcha. It means the white background is there, and the pixels of the white background, the pixels of the gray noise, and the red text is there. So we will obtain all the pixels, then we will make a image group, okay, by color. If you look at our test captcha, you can see three primary colors. Okay, white background, gray noise, and red text. So here you can see here, this is a white background, and this is some gray noise is there over here, and the red text is there. Okay, yeah. In Python, this will look very simple. The following code opens the image, converts it to GIF. Okay, first of all what we'll do is we'll give an input which converts the image to the GIF. Okay, which is easy to us to decrypt the code. Okay, so which is easier for us to work because it has only 255 colors and prints a histogram of colors. Okay, yeah. So what we'll do, first we will write a code which converts the image to the GIF, okay, and prints a histogram of colors. Okay. Now here is the input from PIL import image. IM is equals to image dot open bracket, the parenthesis captcha dot GIF close bracket. IM is equals to IM dot convert P within the parenthesis print IM dot histogram. So as I have told you in the previous slide, this code will print a histogram of colors. Okay, so this is the code which converts an image to the GIF. Okay, yeah, and this is the output. This is the output. The above result, we can see that the number of pixels of each of the 255 colors on the image, you can see that white 255, the most recent, is found most often. It is followed by red text. To verify this, we will write a small script below. Sorry for that. So in the above result means that in this result, we can see that the number of pixels of each of the 255 colors on the image, you can see that white 255, the most recent. It means in this histogram of colors, the white is most repeated color. Okay, the white is most repeated one, so is found most often. It is followed by red text. So to verify that the white is most repeated or not, we will write another script, and that is this one. This code is to verify that the white is more repeated or not. Okay, from PIL import image, from operator import itemgetter im is equals to image dot open captcha dot gif im is equals to im dot convert p, his is equals to im dot histogram, values is equals to flower bracket for I in range 256. Okay, here it is for I in range is nothing but 256, so it will come till 255. Okay, values in the square bracket I is equals to his I in the square bracket for j point k in sorted values dot it ems, and the open bracket close bracket comma key is equals to itemgetter 1 comma reverse is equals to 2, and within the square bracket 10. Okay, print j comma k. So this code is to verify that the white is more repeated or not. And here is the output for this. Yeah, you can see over here 255 is a white color, so 255 in the number of pixels is 625. Got it? 255 is nothing but the white color, which is repeated for the 625 times. It means the white color is having 625 pixels, and the 212 color is 365 pixels. 212 color is having 365 pixels, and the 220 color is having 186 pixels, and 219 color having 135 pixels, and 169 color having 132 pixels. 227 color is having 116 pixels. 213 color is having 115 pixels. 234 color is having 21 pixels. 205 color is having 18 pixels. 184 color is having 15 pixels. So these 10, this is a list of 10 most common colors on the image. So I have shown you the image before, the captcha I have shown you. So in that captcha, these are the 10 most common colors. Okay, so then now as expected, white repeats most often, then come gray and red. So see, this is the white color which has 625 pixels, and this is the gray color which has 365 pixels, and this is the red color which has 186 pixels. Got it? So in this we can see that in this 10 colors we can see that the white color has been repeated more times. So let's move to the second slide. Next slide. Yeah. Once we get this information, we create new images based on these color groups. For each of the most common colors, we create a new binary image of two colors. So now we have collected the data. It means now we have collected that which color repeats more. Okay, and what are the colors in that image we have known. So after knowing this, what we'll do is we'll create a group of two colors. Okay, once we get this information, we create new images based on these color groups. For each of the most common colors, okay, for most common colors, we create a new binary image of two colors. Okay, where the pixels of these colors are filled with black and everything else is white. Okay, now we'll create a binary image where the pixels of these colors are black and everything, and the rest of it is white. Okay. Yeah, red has become the third among the most common colors, which means that we want we want to save a group of pixels with a color of 220. Okay, so here we can see that this is the 220, this is the red color, and red color is in the third position. So here red has become the third among the most common colors, which means that we want to save a group of pixels with a color of 220. Okay, so red is in the third position, so we have to save a group of pixels with color of 220. Yeah, the next. When I experimented, I found that the color 227 is pretty close to 220. It means that when I experimented, I found that the 227th color is very much similar to the 220th color. So we will keep this as a group. 227 and 228 is a group. We'll keep this group of pixels as well. The code below opens the CAPTCHA, converts it to the GIF, creates a new image of the same size. Okay, so now here the next code, the code below, the code below converts it a GIF. Okay, then it creates a new image of the same size with a white background and then goes through the original image in search of color we need. Okay, yeah, here it is the code. If he finds a pixel with the color we need, then he marks that same pixel on the second image as black. Before shutting down, the second image is saved. Now let's write the code to extract the CAPTCHA, which I have shown before. Yeah, this is the code which converts the CAPTCHA to the GIF. Okay, and then it creates the same image. It creates an image with the same size. Okay, from PIM import image, IM is equals to image dot open. Okay, open bracket captcha dot GIF. IM is equals to IM dot convert, open bracket P close bracket. IM2 is equals to image dot new, one bracket within parenthesis P, IM dot size comma 225. IM is equals to IM dot convert, open bracket P and close bracket. Okay, and here is the code continues. TEMP is equals to flower bracket for X in range IM dot size in the square bracket 1, for Y in range IM dot size in the square bracket 0. PIX is equals to IM dot GET pixel, open bracket Y comma X close bracket and the whole close bracket. TEMP square bracket within the square bracket PIX is equals to PIX. If PIX is equals to 220 or PIX is equals to 227, these are the numbers to get IM to put pixel, open bracket Y comma X or close bracket comma 0, IM2 dot save output dot GIF. Okay, now this is the input which gives which converts the captcha to the GIF and creates a new image of the same size. Okay, yeah, here is the output of it. So running the following code, we get running this piece of code gives us the following result. So this was the original image. It means the original captcha, and from this we have extracted this. Okay, this is the extracted captcha. See, here is a totally white background and the text is in the black color. Okay, On the picture, you can see that we successfully managed to extract the text from the background. To automate this process, you can combine the first and the second script. So I have shown you the first script, okay, which just converts the captcha to the GIF, and then after I have shown you the second script, which converts the captcha to the GIF, as well as it creates the new image of the same size. Then we will get extracted captcha which has a white background, completely white background, and a text written in the black color. Okay, so this was the process to extract a captcha from the Python language. So thank you.